Hello YouTube, it's just Paul again. I've got another video, and today we're going to talk about spray painting the Tedalex TE6000 faceplate. Alright, how are we going to do it? Obviously this is not a professional operation, but this is how I spray paint just my small parts. It works, it gives great results. So this is just a cardboard box that we've turned into a spray booth. I use that term loosely, but basically what we're doing is creating a disturbance-free environment for the spray paint. Out the back I have a vented window and the flap I can move up and down. Took about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to create this. Works extremely well. I just can't justify spending $200 to $300 on a spray booth in which you're using it for hobby-based stuff and it's not serving any returns. All right. So what do we have? A few updates. We did the prime of the faceplate and the knobs. The prime is, I'm very happy with it. It's down to, as the primer says, 1500 in its finish. The area of repair was there. It's very, very hard to see that there's anything wrong with the faceplate. There's a couple of little wear marks on the leading edges. We have one there, and we have one there. But by the time the faceplate goes on, it will actually hide a lot of that. You won't notice it. I just stick the LED display to my support and painting system, so nothing gets separated or lost during the process. I just bend it over with a sealed bag and staple it. All right, what do we have here today? We have IPA to just do a quick clean down on the plastics. We have our SMS premium thinner, and we have our SMS metallic silver, which is very, very close to the original colour of this. We have our small 1/6 compressor with water filter on it, and we have our Iwata Neo spray paint, a suction system. As you can see, so I just the SMS I enjoy. I don't need to thin down. It comes pre-measured for 0.3 needle size. Even though I'm running a 0.5, it actually lays down very, very well. You've seen the results in previous videos. All right, so what are we going to do? I'm going to just clean down, load up the canister and set the compressor to 30 psi, which it's set at now. And I'll check for anything inside of the box that's going to stick to it, and then we can start spraying. It'll take every bit of probably 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to start just by, and the reason I put it on a weighted bit of timber like this is that I have no fear of this falling over, but secondly, I can hold this in my hand and spray up underneath the leading edges all the way around, again without fear of anything falling over or accidents happening. That's just the way I do it. Alright, and then when we're doing the detail work, the main part around the edges, leading edges, I then put it inside here in the spray booth and spray in there. Alright, moving forward, we've just put a light coat on here. We've dusted. Okay, now I'm going to go through and put the final coat on. Okay, it's all done. We went through nearly 2 bottles of paint over the course of the faceplate and knobs, and it's looking quite good. Okay, just cleaning the brush, the gun. You've got to do this straight away. I've now got to disassemble it, put some oil on it and clean with thinners. And that's our how-to video on spray painting at home with a small 1/6 horsepower compressor and regulator, and using SMS paints. And that concludes the final part of this series in the how-to video on the Tedelex TE6000. We are now just waiting for the new faceplate to be made in Florida and shipped back to me. Hope you enjoyed that series, and please comment and subscribe and hit the like button if you like the videos. Thank you very much. It's Pull Apart Paul, and remember, you can do it.